Taylor Gang, let's get it.
Young Money.
Yeah. There's some people coming with me and I know who they are, and some that just ain't gon' make it and I know who they are, and I know they ain't gon' like it, but it's quite alright. I ain't need no one my whole life, and I've done alright. I can't do bad by myself. These days you never can tell, except the people who've been with me and they know who they are. Yeah, they know my true colors and they see what they.
What's up, Lee Family Gang? What's up, Lee Family Gang? What's up, Lee Family Gang? But I belong to God. Dang. Okay. What's up, y'all? Today, me and Mr. J and Dick, we're gonna go for a ride. And if you didn't know, Mr. J is the new addition, old addition to our family. So, want to say hey to the camera now? Bae.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I ain't put my face, no.
We got Duckies.
I told you.
Are you a secret surprise? You the cherry on top?
Where's the camera?
Okay. So anyway, I don't know where the fuck we finna go. Bae supposed to be driving, y'all. Oh, this man right here. Calm down. We'll be back. Okay, so you guys, as we travel the streets of New York, we're gonna travel. Damn, look at that tree. We're going to the park this morning. Hopefully it don't get too hot today. Because you know it's hot already. Bitch, I got air conditioning and I got on black. You already know the vibes. So I will show y'all as we go around New York, but girl, we ain't gonna do it. I ain't trying to live no time to be an asshole. But anyway, joking, really. Just being dramatic. But anyways, we'll see you guys when we get there. That's the one we was talking about in the other video. He just be chilling. So these folks that left me at the park, and they going up a trail up here. So anyway, this is how we start our Monday. Hopefully when you guys see this, it will still be Monday, but you know how your girl get down. I be busy and stuff. Look at the same thing. Woo. Woo. So we had to come out. Well, I wanted to come out. Got us just some little fresh air, so they can see what I'm finna start doing this week. And I guess it's gonna be a lot of walking, a lot of hurting. But this is where we at. Here's the Duke. That. Okay. All right. No.
I got my swing.
Come on.
You can talk to the camera later, Duke. Okay. So anyway, yeah, y'all, I decided, since I don't be having nothing to do, nothing but free time, I'm gonna start coming my ass to this park and working out. It feels amazing out here today, y'all. Feels so good. I love the trees. Look at that. All the way around. Anyway. A little ashy ass big. It's, you know what? It is beautiful to be able to see yourself and appreciate yourself. No matter how cracked up you come. Like, you come fucked up. You just, it's good when you can look at yourself and just appreciate who you are as a person and not judge yourself for being your authentic self. That's the beautiful thing. And not being what society thinks you should be. Ain't that amazing? You can just be like, I love this. With no makeup, no earrings. Because I used to think that type of shit made me. And then I learned how to love myself. So it's amazing. And now I'm a big kid on the swing with a camera on YouTube. Having a good time. This is dope. I couldn't dream for shit more. Ah! Ah! Look at Duke. Ah! 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 So anyway, I will go walking by myself, but I might get followed. So anyway, comment what's you guys' favorite park. This is one of my favorite parks in my city. Come on now. This is on my phone finna die, y'all. Ain't there some shit? I forgot to get my charger. Okay. Anyway, comment your favorite city park and what it is that you like to do at that park. Do you like to just relax, or you like to walk, you like to participate in activities? What is it? Like, what is it? What's your favorite thing? What's your catch? Let me see if I can get it.
Look at me.
You in that thing, sir?
Faster.
He said faster, faster. Listen, we just woke up out the bed, turn our swag on. Yeah. We getting money. I'm just telling you.
I'm trying to do some
So, where you going now, babe? On what other side? To that park? Oh my God. You talking about walking over there? Oh my God. Did you not okay.
You ain't gotta go. I'm saying what you said. You talking about?
You talking about driving over there? I drive over there, but I'm not walking over there today. Oh. Okay. Okay, babe. All right, so get you back for part 2. So Jay don't want to be on camera, y'all, so that's why I'm trying to keep him off the camera. So we got the sinus. Look at the sinus. Show butt back. Yes, ma'am. So we finna go across the street. That's the thing I was talking about going to over there. Said where the food at? Listen, y'all. I found that. No, them other things went it, baby. And so we at the park, you guys. This park. Man, this is like it's good. Let's see that stuff in the water. So I said, babe, would you come over here? Come over here. Your baby, you can stick with him. Let me know, because my knee-jerk reaction better than you. They already dead. First of all, they coming over here to us, y'all. Isn't it cool? Oh my God. They coming to us, babe. Nah, I swear to God. Listen, you getting a little too friendly. I like you. Dude, don't try to pet it. It's already too close. Look at my feet. Where he at? Babe, come on. That's enough. Look at his little feet. Dang, you just, I swear, take a little experience and make it a horror every time. Now, what if my phone be falling out?
That's you.